will come. Related to content, you have to follow the tags. Whichever the content come related to that, relevant to the content, we need to follow the tags. Now, so last example, what we have created, one file was there, this one, page 2, I guess. Page 2 was something like this. We have printed H1, H2, something. Then we have written different tags to print up to 130 character. And we have followed two tags. One tag that is called paragraph. Paragraph was something like this, and it has printed the content. Right? Next, you will come to the notes. Wherever you are writing, you can make a note. What is that? It's called type of list. Type of list in HTML. Type of list in HTML. So we have total 3 type of list. One you will write somewhere, OL. It's called order list. Second one you will write somewhere called UL. Unordered list. Unordered. Order list. Okay, LIST. List. Next is unordered list. The third one we have called DL. It's called definition list. Definition list. 3 type of list we have: OL, UL, and DL. Order list, unordered list, and after that, definition list. When we look into the order list, what is that order list? You can see here I have written 3 lines. 3 lines I have written here, and in the beginning of the line I have written 1, 2, 3. Correct? So this becomes a order. Instead of 1, 2, 3, we can write here ABC also. Instead of that, we can write call Roman 1, 2, 3 also. Okay. Instead of that, you can write capital ABCD, small ABCD, lowercase Roman 1, 2, 3, uppercase Roman. So total 5 type of order list we have from HTML. Okay. We can create our own also, but using CSS. Next, we have called UL. UL, what we have, like suppose instead of writing here something, if I follow kind of the symbols are not in this. Okay, let me go here. I follow called dot, dot, and dot. Okay, so is that dot representing anything? It is not pointing any kind of order. So this becomes a unordered list. Instead of dot, you can use, let me write here what I suppose if I write college a star, a star. A star is not order list, unordered list. Just I'm giving you example. A star. So what is that? This is not a order. It's become a unordered. Right? So what you have is when you are creating the web page, inside the web page you have to display different type of data. Okay. When you are going to different type of data, formatted data, non-formatted data, parent level data, child level data, multiple level of data will be there. So when you are going to display the content under the web page, how you are going to organize the content. Okay. For example, you have used many times you have used MS Word. Inside the MS Word, you have a feature called bullets and numbering. You display something and you select the bullets will come. You select display, write something and select the numbering, what will come? Number will come. Okay. So in HTML, we use that is called order list and unordered list. And under the MS Word, you use the feature that is called bullets and numbering. Bullet and numbering. Okay. So if you are creating a document in MS Word, then fine, you can use the bullets and numbering. But if you are creating a document in the web page, how you will format the content? Right? How you can display this is the parent item and this is the child item. So in that case, this OL and UL is going to help you. Order list and unordered list. Okay. Order list is of 5 types and unordered list is of 4 types. Total 9 type of list we have. In order list 5, and in unordered list call is 4. Even DL also we have under definition list we have 2, but that is for different purpose. We'll see. Okay, so you can write here 1 in order list. What we have one type. Type is a property, and if you write call 1, the order will generate as a 1, 2, 3. If you write type equal to A, order will generate as a ABCD. If you write type equal to capital A, order will generate ABCD only but uppercase. Type equal to, if you write call as a I, it will generate Roman 1, 2, 3 but lowercase. Type equal to capital I, it will generate the Roman 1, 2, 3 only but uppercase. Okay, so these 5 types we have under the order list. You can write it, and after that create next file called order list.html. Order list.html. Create a file, in that we will implement it. Order list.html. Write this first type of order, and then we can create example and we can follow in that. So how many of you are following the system? You can let me know, okay, or you try it. It is individual wish, know how you want to learn. If you are here in the class, I can force you to use the system, but at home it's individual wish. But system is required. Written how many types? 5 types. Okay, now come to your order list file. Order list.html. Where we have learned HTML? You learn HTML already? HTML is where? Hyderabad. Okay. In system you write or notebook? Where you write? System. Okay. So for tomorrow you can bring the laptop. It will be helpful. Or if you want, there is one laptop is here. You can use that. It's your wish. I will not force you to use that, but if you want, you can use it. Or if you want to watch, you can watch it. Okay. Let's go on. So hope you have written this type. Let's create the file order list. Order list. It should go to your folder. Which folder? HTML folder. Okay. The folder we have created HTML. In the HTML folder, we need to write it. Right now, we'll follow from here. HTML will open and HTML close also. Right. Go inside. Follow the body tag. Body tag open and close. Now under the body tag, you will write one heading tag as H1. Order list. Order list example. Order list example. Next, after this, you will come down and follow the OL tag and close the OL tag. It's not 0, 1, it's O and L. The O and L, not 0 and 1. So make write properly O and L. Okay. In order list, the first type is a property where you have to pass a fixed value, anyone, either 1, 2, 3, or you can pass a ABCD, or you can pass some other value is fine, but OL type equal to something you have to mention. By default is what? 1, 2, 3. Okay, by default is 1, 2, 3. So we have written type equal to 1. So it is going to generate 1, 2, 3. Under this, you will follow LI. LI is called a list item. You can write here list item. Now below you can add some other content inside. Put some city name. Okay, add one more city name. Right, add one more city name. We'll check this first. What is going to come? Write it in sequence one by one. Take some time, no problem. After that, we'll run and we'll see how it is going to come. 1 to 3 it should generate. Total 4 items we have added. So 1 to 4 it will come. Whose page is running first? You can let me know. Who is able to run first? You can ping me in the chat. Yes, running. Okay, very good. One person wrote done. What about others? Hope you're writing. Write it. Hello? Yeah, hello. Hmm. Hmm. Open. You can come to me. You can come. 10:30 onwards. Yeah. Yeah. So see, so many people have tried. Let's
सर
tell me, sir.
सर ये मोबाइल पे नहीं ओपन होता है क्या?
In mobile, what you will learn? You are typing in mobile.
हाँ सर मोबाइल में
In mobile, how can you create software, brother?
मतलब वो सर वो जावा वगैरह मतलब उसमें टाइप करके मतलब जावास्क्रिप्ट नहीं आता है क्या?
Java people are excellent people. They can write code anywhere. But
जावास्क्रिप्ट नहीं आता
you cannot do in the where, you cannot write in the mobile. Okay.
ठीक है
Hash a string, go add something, online code you can write anywhere, no? I'm not saying something, but most of the time people write theory, read and see, execute later after course. Okay, that will not help you to do something in life. Or I don't know how the people do, but I will be writing the code, you will write the code. After 4-5 classes, I'll give the homework, you need to do that. Okay, in mobile it will not work out. Now suppose HTML look like 4 line, you can write it, but when 2000 line will come, what will do? When JavaScript will come, React all will come, what will do? Node.js need to install in the mobile. How will install the Node.js? Okay, so let's arrange something, any kind of system. You can watch in mobile, but try writing, because final destination is what? To be a developer, to write the code. Okay. Okay. So hope it's working like this. You can see here. What is the order? Order is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Come next. After this. Okay. After that, you will write another OL tag. Another OL tag you write. And inside that OL tag you write call type equal to A. Type equal to A. Okay. Follow again some li, write some maybe some subject name you can write. Example HTML. Next you can write one more li. CSS also you can write capital. Okay, next you can write one more li. Bootstrap. Okay, next you write one more li. Something. Try this. Try the second OL. Again, just go and refresh your page or rerun it, no problem. You will find the next order will be ABCD. Next order will be ABCD. By default, the starting point is A. We can change that also. In the order type, you are given 1. There by default, the starting is 1. We can change that. I'll guide you in the next. Just run it first and check once. Complete font size, no? Font size you have chosen. Here is the font size. Increase that, okay. And see this is you have opened something else, you are closing something else. It is H1, no, you have opened the HL. H1. Here also H1, not HL. Save it. Click on that. Look here. Type you are writing outside, it should be inside on your papers. Okay. So hope you write it and let me know also your page is running or not. Another OL, because these all are the block level element, it will print in the new line. Everything OL, UL, LI, all are block level element. You can see it's coming here. Okay, we can write here one H2. We can write one H2 here. That H2 will represent a subheading you can add here, and that you can write called order type A. Order type which one? A. Order type A. It represent, okay, below you are given the order type as A. So ABCD is coming. Order type A means ABCD will come. ABCD will come. Next, your ABCD start from where? A, right? You want to start from D. What will do for that? In case if you want to start from D, what will do for that? You have to check in ABCD series, where is the D? What is the position of D? So A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, and D is 4. Okay. So we have a property here called a start. A start equal to 4. So now in ABCD series, on 4th position, which character will come? From there it will start directly. Okay. In the number system also, when you are written the type equal to 1, if you write there a start equal to 5. So what will happen? Starting will happen from where? 5 directly. Okay. Something like this. Order type A. Correct. So this ABCD appear and starting from where? D. Okay. Write it. Next, after this, we can write another OL. Another OL we can follow. That OL will be type equal to I. Roman 1, 2, 3. Follow one H2 again. And in that you can write a order. Order type equal to I. Okay. Order type equal to I. It is going to give you Roman 1, 2, 3, lowercase. A small Roman 1, 2, 3. So we'll follow the OL open close. Right inside again, type equal to a small I. Follow inside li. Okay. you can write some profile name like software developer or software tester. You can write software tester. Okay. Next, after that, next li you write call Python developer. Python developer. Next li you will write call UI developer. Check now. Let it be 3. You can check it. It will give you the option like Roman tag will come, Roman number will come 1, 2, 3. Roman number will come 1, 2, 3. Try and check once again how it look. It should look like this. It should look like this, correct? Order type equal to I. Many people think like UI development is non-coding part. Okay, UI development is non-coding part. First day they'll join, they will see like they are writing the code here. It also has the code. Skip. Then we'll try 2, 3 days Java. After some days again code will come. Again skip. Then try Python. After looking into YouTube video, we'll come to know Python has no coding. We'll try Python, right? After spending the money and time, later they'll come to know there is no opening. Again, they'll try do something else. By then 3, 4 years, gap will happen. Then I start finding those consultancy who give the fake document. And I start finding those person who can clear my interview. In that case also not happen anything. Then I start finding those company who give me job free of cost. I'm ready to work. Correct or not? These all are the steps to spoil the precious time of the future. Correct or not? 100% true. We face in day-to-day life daily. Many people will call, they'll say, tomorrow I have interview, can you clear my interview? Okay. Many people will say, I have some homework, can you do my homework? Hey brother, someone will clear your interview. You are not their relative, no? Tomorrow they'll pay you the salary. You have to work there, then only they'll give you the salary. Someone can do your assignment is okay, but tomorrow who will write your code? Daily who will do your assignment? Today someone will clear your interview, right? Tomorrow when you come in front of the project people and the team, all will talk, you will just watch what they're talking. After some days, they will say you are not fit for technique, please go back. Okay, so not like that. Okay, time will never come back. Make it better. That all are in your hand. Okay, so hope we have written OL type equal to what? I. So that how it represent Roman 1 to 3. In that also you can write a start equal to 5. It will start from Roman 5. You can try here. A start equal to 5. Okay, a start equal to 5. So there that will also start from the Roman 5th number. Right, 5th number is starting. Come after that. Write the next H2. That is called order type. Order type. Order type capital A. Capital A. Okay, so we can follow one. Again, OL here, open and close. Right inside again, type equal to capital A. Come down, follow the li, right? In this, you follow some type of item name. Suppose apple. Next, you write any kind of another item name. Mango. Next, you write another item name. Orange. Next, you follow one more item name. This will give you again ABCD only, but uppercase. This will give ABCD only, but uppercase. Write it, save once. When we run it, we look like this. ABCD, which case? Uppercase. Write it. One more option is there. You can write, that is called capital I. Write H2. Order type equal to capital I. Order type equal to capital I. Follow again OL and LI. Inside we can write type equal to capital I, you follow. Then next follow LI. Something you can write again. Okay. Write some kind of example called home. Next LI call about us. Next LI call contact us. Next LI call services. Okay, next LI call services. Check once, your page will come like home about contact service, and it will be starting with the uppercase of I tag. Not uppercase only, but number, that Roman 1, 2, 3. We can check like this. See, number is coming. So these all are called type of order list. It's available in W3 also everywhere. 4, 5 type of order you have. Number 1, 2, 3, Roman 1, 2, 3, capital ABCD, small ABCD. Once you complete, you can ping me also. We can go for the next file. Not running. Okay. See, format like this. Can you see that? OL is there, OL open close, and after that, what is that? Eli after one tab. Don't give the space. Tab is there. Tab. One tab is equal to 4 space. So give the tab. After writing the OL open close, after going inside, press the tab and then write it. Automatically, next line will come after tab. Okay, format. What how is your you can add any item. It is not like home about only. You can add any this. You have one keyword inside it here, where you are typing in the first line, correct? See, this all you have written, no? It look like mix up of all. Next, right? So I'll select this. Okay. I'll press tab. So it will go where? Right. You will suppose you want to select like this. Okay. Again, after selecting this, all the which one? Li, press the tab. Okay. Here also, how many Li you have? So many. Okay. You select all the Li and press the tab. Something wrong in here. Side start you have written after the this. And so it will be somewhere, right? We'll maintain the case also. It should not be starting in the upper case and closing in the lower case. Okay. Now HTML so it will work. But later when you merge with other technology, it will not work at all. Okay. See all of them. Try here again. You can select like this. See, I'll guide you. First, you select how many line you want to move. So suppose I select this 3 line. Okay. This 3 line after selecting, if you want to shift in the right side, press the tab, normal formula. If you want to shift in the left side, then press shift plus tab. Shift and press tab. Again tab, again tab, again tab, again tab, again tab. So shift plus tab, if you press, it will come in the left side. If you press only tab, it will go to where? Right side. Okay. That way you can arrange it. So your code should not look, your code only should not confuse you tomorrow what you have written. It should be clean and clear. Give some spacing proper. 1, 2 space you can get from top to bottom. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 people have tried. And what about others? Write here, write it. If the writing is helpful for you. Okay. Okay. Then hope everyone have written. Let's move next. We'll go to the developer guide again. Okay. Developer guide. In developer guide, you can write one line again under the UL tag. Under the UL tag, you write type. What are the type we have? Under the UL, we have type equal to disk. Disk. Dot 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 will come. Another type we have called square. Square symbol will come. Okay. Next type you have called circle. Circle symbol will come. Okay. And we have one more type that is called a none. None. It will not give anything. It will remove the indicator itself. So disk will give disk indicator, square will give a square symbol, circle will give circle, none will remove everything. It will remove the dots from beginning. It will not give any dot at all. By default is disk. By default is disk. For UL tag, it will not write any type. By default will come as a disk. And for OL tag, by default is 1. By default 1, 2, 3 will come. If will not mention the type also, by default will come as a 1, 2, 3. Okay, write it. Then create the next file, order list. I have guided you how to create the file. Don't give a space. Write single word is fine. Or if you are comfortable to write underscore hyphen is okay, but don't give a space. Order list.html. Not order list, unorder list. Yes. Unorder list.html. This is also correct without a space. On-order list is also correct. So which one you are comfortable, give, don't give a space. Okay. Create this file, unorder list.html in your HTML folder. Okay, so we can go to the our unordered list.html. Okay, unordered list.html file. Let's come in that. Write again same thing. HTML. Head you can skip as of now, not required. Head will follow from CSS and what? Body, right? Okay. Write inside H1 UL. Unordered list. Example. Okay. Unordered list example. Unordered list example. Now in this file, you will start from the UL and close the UL. And for UL, you will write type equal to disk. DISC, disk. Here also you have the similar li, list item, list item, list item. Let's follow the li and keep inside something home. Keep another li called view profile. PROFILE. Next li you follow called editor profile. Right. Next li you follow called education. Next li you follow called project. Experience better. Experience, and next li you follow call skills. My skills you can write. So what purpose you wrote the UL now? What purpose you wrote? You can see it look like the navigation, view profile, edit profile. It look like the menu, no? On website, what we see? We see many places view profile, edit profile after login and on, right? Exactly, UL is for that purpose only. Using UL tag, you are not me, 99% developer in the market. Create the navigation of the website. Menu, sub-menu we see. Menu will be on the top, maybe in the left side, maybe right side. Wherever the menu people create, menu and sub-menu, navigation of the website, people use the UL tag. UL and li, UL, li. There will be nested UL also, menu, sub-menu. Check now this much. You can add one separate tag in the bottom, that is called HR tag. It will create a line from beginning to last. It's called horizontal rule. It has a property called color. Color, put it a green color. So it will create a green line. It will create a green line. After that, color equal to green, and then you will write called size. Size represent the thickness of the line. Okay. Suppose I write size equal to 10. So what will happen? One line will get created from beginning to last. Color will be green color and thickness of the line will be 10 pixel. Color is a property, green is a value, size is again property, and then you have written 10. 10 is a 10 px. By default in HTML is considered as a pixel. Okay, by default will be pixel. Sizes and all, whichever you write in number directly, it will be called as a pixel, 10 pixel. Check now. One horizontal line will come. from left to right, and the line color will be green color, as well as size will be how much? 10 px. Something like this it should appear. Dot 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 is coming, that is because of disk. By default is disk only. If you remove the type as a disk, then also disk will come. Okay, so hope working. Come next. Next, you write another UL tag. Text is your wish. Whichever the text you are writing, it is your wish. You can write any text here. It is not like similar text. Any text you can write, no problem. Okay, next UL you can write type equal to disk, not disk. Write is a none. None. It will not give any kind of indicator. In that you can write again some li, write some city name again. Okay, next li, next li, we can follow like this. Check once again. Okay, so it will give you no any kind of indicator, type is none. Type is none. You can check here, none. Any kind of indicator? No. Write one more HR after this. After this, you will write one HR tag. Color red color. Size let it be little more. 1.5. Okay, go ahead next. Check the second one. Second UL is ready. Third UL you can write next. Third UL should be type equal to circle or a square is also fine. Type equal to a square. Okay. Follow some li. Same city name you can add, no problem. The city name you have written 4 city names. Copy the same city and paste here as well. Okay, same city name you add here. Type as a square. Okay. A square will give you a square symbol, something like this. One more we have, we can write. HR is not part of OL and UL, just I have written for the color combination. Size equal to 1.5. Follow the UL, close the UL. Type equal to circle. Right, type equal to circle, and then you can add the similar LI, same city you can place under the last UL also. Okay, ready? Save and check once. It will come last is a circle. So this is three type of an order list we have. Okay. Next, after this, we'll go for the DL, definition list. So try, let me know all in the chat if you have written well. Running. Running. Yes. If the machine after, file is not saved, right? Yes, sir. Okay. Where is it not saved? Okay, you will keep the habit like this. In this text, what is the length of this text? Small text less than 140 characters. I have written everywhere the first character is a capital. Not only in this file, in previous file also if you see, you can see here in the beginning. I've written H capital, P capital, edit, P capital, EP, education, all are capital. My skill, M is capital, S is capital, correct? So these all are the rule regulation of content. When you are displaying the content in the browser, if your content length is, if the text length, you can see here software tester, S and T is capital, Python developer, P and D is capital, right? So if you look into the my page, my content look little better than your content. Why? Because I'm following the rule regulation of content. You have written everything as a small, right? So we will do little changes also in other habit. That is what is the rule is, like suppose your text length is less than 130 character. If the text, suppose you have a sentence, in the sentence there is some few words and the sentence length is less than 130 character, then what you should do, right? First character of every words you keep as a uppercase. When you display it look better. Okay? And once it exceed more than 130 character, then you change as per the grammar rule. Okay, come next. So this file is ready. Go to the developer guide. Okay, so anyone has missed out, last question I will share in the chat. You can take from there also, or everything is same, only type is different. One is type is circle, another type is square, Another type you got none, and one more type you have called disk. Same you will copy paste and change the type. Come to developer guide again, write the notes for the DL. Okay, inside the DL, what we have one tag called sub element. Okay, the DL have sub element. Okay, what are that sub element? Sub element, I think is a simple word. Sub element. Now, inside that, not single word here, sub element. How it is? Single word or double word? Sub element should be double word only. I see written here. Sub element. Follow the sub elements. Sub element. Alternative form of it. So that is correct only, not wrong. Okay. Sub element we can write here. Call one we have called DT. DT. It's called definition title. Definition title. Definition title. Another one we have called DD. Definition details. Definition details. DD and DT. Now using DD, what we will do? Using DD, you will do like this. Using DD, it used to create headline of content. Headline of content. Content in the sense, I will not write here content. Headline of post, you can write post. Right? Suppose you are posting something. This DL for that purpose only. If you are posting a question on internet, or if you are asking any question from people on internet, or if you are displaying somewhere multiple choice question, or your content is such a way where one subject and multiple, you can say answer for that. So in that case, we can use this tag called a DL and DT. DL tag will help you to display your question. So I wrote here, it used to create the headline of post. Post in the sense, it is going to help you to display the question, whichever your main headline is there, using the DT. And DD, what it do? It display the details about the particular topic. It used to display details about post. It used to display details about the post. That is called a DD, definition details. Okay, definition details. Wrote it. Create the next file, dl.html. dl.html. File name dl.html. dl.html. Once you become developer, you will face the problem in the project. You will search on internet. You will not find solution. Then you will search where to post, to whom you ask. So you will come to the website. Many websites will come where they will ask, what is your problem? Specify your problem. So you will write your problem. I want like this, I want like this, I want like this. So whatever the problem you will post, your problem will become a DT. Now, after looking into your problem, so many people will reply the answer for that. Maybe few lines of code, maybe some kind of link. Okay, so those all will create the DD, definition details for one post, multiple reply. Okay, so let's create the file dl.html. Written. Okay. So next file you are creating dl.html. Okay, so hope you have written. We'll go to that file DL file. Again, you follow the HTML and follow the body tag again and write inside call H1 DL definition list. Definition list example. Definition list example. Definition list example. Definition list example. Now come inside. Write a tag called DL open and DL close. Under the DL, you write DT definition title. Okay, but definition title, okay, let's test with something. Where is Bangalore? Okay, a question. Now write one answer for that. One person assumed reply DD or maybe multiple choice question. Where is Bangalore? Below option you have one call. Karnataka. Next option you have AP. Next option you have Tamil Nadu. Next option you have UP. Right? Once we run the page, we'll come to know actual DT and DD. Where will be the DT and where will be the DD? Spacing will be big matter. DT will have in the beginning and DD will be after space. Okay, check now. Rotate DT, DD, 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 DD. Any text you can add, no problem, and check once. Where it comes, it's look like this. Where is Bangalore? The headline and below all came after some space. So this become as a option and this become as a question. We'll modify little, we'll change the color combination using some other tag, but you try this much first. Color we can change now, color we can change, size we can change. That only the next step. Okay, carefully just apply some space here, arrange your code, go under the DT, definition title, and open a tag called font and close the font in the last. Close the font in the last. Because in HTML we have a font tag, it has property called color, it has a property called size, it has a property called family. Which one you want? So let's put called color, red color, size. Start from 1 and go till 7. 1 is the lowest, 7 is the highest according to HTML. So you will write call 7. It will come big font size, bigger than H1. It will come little bigger than H1. Okay, rotate, font color, red size is 7. That should look like this. Something like this.
For title also we can use this.
For
Title.
which title? H1. H1 let it be. If you want to change the color, then inside H1 you have to open this one. Which one?
Same.
Font, same process. But that is a lengthy process, no? Inside H1 open again. Inside H1 again open which one? Font tab. Right? Okay. Next, after this, come down below. So looking similar or something else? Okay, let me ask feedback from here. See, this is the output. Okay, look at this, the output. Try now and let me know how is yours. Try. Okay. Take some time, write it slowly. At last, there should be something in your system. Achievement for the day. One more DT we can add in the last, but BR is applicable here. You can write BR, else it will come very nearby. One BR will be okay. You can add the next DT, definition title. And here also you can write, the font itself. Next your DL is same. DL is not multiple DL. DL is only one inside. DT open, again open the font tab. Okay, write color, some color, green color, right size, keep same size 7. Okay, right below. How is Indian market? Market question. How is Indian market? Okay, now after that one reply came quickly. DD cost is going up. Cost is going up. Another DD good compared to other country. Okay, one more reply came. One more reply came saying like next DD, no idea. Something. Take again. The two question will be there, and question will start from beginning. Answer will be after some space. It's something like this. This is called DT, this is called DT. Meaningful tag, you will use many times. Whenever you have attended online test, you have faced this DT and DT. Question will be in the beginning and answer will be after some space. Okay. Okay. So next again after this, some people are in the group already. Some people are not in the group. So whoever are not in the group, and if you want to continue, you can send your name in this number 87924626007. We'll send you the video link, your name, space 7 p.m. Something like this. Okay. If you are not in the group 87924626007, you can send your name 7 p.m. in this number. We'll add in the group. You can have a look into the previous videos. And then next class will be on Monday directly. First month, second month syllabus will be Monday to Friday. Third month syllabus is Monday to Monday all the day. Okay. So go through. Anyhow, as of now you have not covered much thing. After covering the Monday class, after covering the Monday and Tuesday class, I will give you the homework. After covering Monday and Tuesday class, you will get the homework. You can follow that and then will be helpful for you. Okay, clear? Hope your page is running. So what we learned today? We learned today called type of list. How many type of list we have? 3. OL, UL and DL. OL have 5 types. 1, capital A, small a, capital I, Roman I, small I. Okay. Next, after that we have UL, another list. It has 4 types: disk, square, circle, and none. After that, we learn called DL. It has 2 sub-elements, DL and DT. Using the DT, not DL and DT, DL inside we have DT and DD. Okay. Under the DT, you will display the definition. Title means headline of your content, and under the DD, you will display the description of the content. It can be single line or it can be multiple line. Correct? Yes. Okay. So keep arranging one by one. The people who arrange their knowledge properly, at last they will call himself as an engineer. The people who will not arrange the knowledge properly, at last he will say himself, I am confused. Correct or not? He will not arrange the knowledge properly, then will be confused, will feel what I am doing, what I am doing. Right? Arrange it properly, helpful. Okay, thank you. You can use the same Zoom link on Monday next, or you are coming here, you can come here, no problem.